Are your electricity bills getting out of control? Imagine cutting your electricity bill by 50, 80, or even 100%. Let me show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafted and Created. We're installing a dye inverter, JNCO panels, and a lithium battery bank. This system is perfect for homes and businesses. Are your electricity bills out of control? In today's video, I'm going to show you how solar systems can help you do that, step by step. Let's get into it. Want to reduce your electricity bills? Most people use power during the day, when electricity is most expensive. That's exactly when solar panels produce the most energy. Solar panels generate electricity from sunlight. Produce your own power. Avoid inefficient appliances. Cut peak usage hours. Net metering can reduce your bill. This is the most common and affordable system, connected to the grid with no batteries. It uses solar during the day, best for reducing bills at lowest cost. This system includes batteries. Store extra energy, use it at night. Backup during outages. Best for maximum savings plus reliability. No connection to the grid, an affordable system. Fully independent. Requires large battery storage. Best for remote areas. Here is where things get interesting. You only use solar during the day. With batteries, you use stored energy. This means no expensive night electricity, but remember, they increase system cost. To reduce your bill effectively, you need the right monthly bill for your kilowatt usage. Step 1. Check your monthly bill for your 6 to 8 kilowatt system. This will cover most of your usage. Yes, solar requires an upfront investment. Your electricity bill keeps increasing. Solar is a one-time investment. Typical payback is 3 to 6 years. Over 20 years, you save thousands. Want to go solar? Here's how. First, check your energy bill. Next, calculate your usage. Our engineers inspect your roof. Then, we install your custom system. It's that easy to get started today. Avoid these mistakes if you want maximum savings. Installing too small system. Ignoring battery needs, sunlight exposure. Don't ignore maintenance. Always work with professionals. Want to save even more? Do this. Use appliances, upgrade to energy-efficient devices. Clean your panels regularly. Monitor your system. Small changes equal big savings. Take a look at this completed installation. 24 JNCO panels maximizing power, providing a full off-grid and hybrid system. Ready to power this beautiful home. Reduce your bill with solar. Like the video. Subscribe for more. Are you planning to install solar? See you next time. Let's thank our sponsor, LawTech Solution. Visit their website, shown right here on the screen, or email them to move forward with modern tech. Reduce your bills with solar. Cut your costs now. Free electricity? Are you ready to switch? 80% lower.